Hello everyone, share technology, share life. In the last video tutorial, I shared with you how to perfectly install the native Google GMS and Google App Store on Huawei phones. However, if your Huawei mobile phone has been updated to the latest EMUI 11, you need to downgrade the system to EMUI 10 to install Google GMS and Google App Store normally. However, some friends reported that after connecting the phone with Huawei Hi-Suite tool on the computer, there is no option to roll back to the previous old phone firmware in Hi-Suite tool system upgrade module, and it is impossible to downgrade, or you cannot downgrade to even lower version of the EMUI system you want through Hi-Suite tool. Then in today's video tutorial, I share with you will perfectly solve the problem of downgrading EMUI by just simply one step. I will demonstrate in detail how to downgrade your Huawei phone to any old version firmware you want in just one step. After completing the downgrade of your phone's EMUI system, you can perfectly install Google GMS and Google App Store through my previous video tutorial. The video tutorial link is down below in the description. This method is suitable for Huawei mobile phones such as Huawei P40, Mate30, Nova 6, Honor V30 Pro, and so on. Downgrading the phone system will clear all the data in your phone, so please make a backup of the data in your phone in advance. Okay, let's start. Okay, now welcome to my Huawei mobile phone and my PC. First, I will show you my Huawei mobile phone, for Huawei Nova 6 5G, the EMUI version. Let's have a look. Settings, and go to the About Phone. Let's have a look. My mobile phone's version is EMUI 10.1.0.216, which is suitable to install the Google Fire. Compatible with the Google Fire and the Google Assistant. Then you can using this version to install the native Google GMS and Google App Store for the Huawei Nova 6, my mobile phone. But if you are using the Huawei's P40 Pro, then you need to downgrade your phone to the version 10.1.0.150. Should be below 150. 10.1.0.150. Below this version, then the P40 Pro will be EMUI on the P40 Pro will be compatible with your Google Fire and the Google Assistant. So Google Assistant is very important to you to install the native Google's App Store and the Google's GMS. So there's no warning. You cannot see warning because this Google Assistant is compatible with my EMUI here, the EMUI 10.1.0.1216. Okay, so for your P40 Pro or other version like Mate30, then you need to downgrade to the version below 156. Let's have a look at the Google Fire. To have a look, you can see there is a description said this app only for Huawei devices running Android 10, EMUI 10.1.0.150. So we needed to downgrade your Huawei EMUI version below 150, this version. Now, okay, I will show you how to downgrade. Then you can, after the downgrade, then you can install the Google App Store and Google GMS on your Huawei phone. The downgrade is very straightforward and very simple, just a one-step downgrade. To downgrade any version, any old version you want, then you can, after downgrade, then you can install the Google App Store and the Google GMS using the Google Fire. Very, very easy. And the tutorial install the Google App Store and the Google GMS using the Google Fire. You can see the link down below this video in the video description link after you finished the downgrade. Okay, let's. I will put my phone just here, and let's have a look at my PC screen. Before we doing the downgrade, we needed to open the three websites here. This website I will describe the function of this website. We will to use it to downgrade your Huawei mobile phone to the EMUI below the 160, EMUI version. Okay, So first website is I will show you is the HUAWEI here. I will give you these 3 website web address link also in the video description down below this video. Okay, so you can click the video the link, then you can download these 2 tools. Okay, the first tool I will download is the HUAWEI. The version is important. You need to download this version just on this link, so it will be used to downgrade your Huawei phone. Use this tool, HUAWEI tool. Okay, let's click the downgrade to downgrade this HUAWEI. Okay, so this is a pop-up window, is advertisement. Let's close it. This is one tool, and the second tool we use is here on this link, this website. This website is on the GitHub. Then this developer developed this tool to using as a HUAWEI proxy. This proxy is used to download the old version of your ROM of the Huawei EMUI ROM. Any old version, you can use it to download into your PC. Then you can use the HUAWEI tool to downgrade the old version using this HUAWEI proxy. Okay, then we needed to have a look at the version. The first, this is not one. Just scroll down to find the suitable version. Not this one. Just down below, we needed to find the old support to EMUI 8 and below firmware. We will use the version here, just this one, and scroll down below and find the EMUI 8 below firmware, right? So let's go down, and here the asset 4. Then we needed to download the HUAWEI proxy here. This rough file, this zip file. We click the HUAWEI proxy, this file, this zip file to downgrade it, to download it. Yeah, okay, finished the download. Then we just wait several minutes to download the HUAWEI proxy, HUAWEI tool. Okay, now we finished the download of these 2 tools. The first one is the HUAWEI, another one is HUAWEI proxy. To use HUAWEI proxy as a proxy to download the old firmware and flash into your Huawei phone. Okay, now we needed to double click the HUAWEI tool to install into your PC. Okay, then we click yes. Click yes to install this HUAWEI tool. Then click I agree here. Then click start to install. Okay, we finished the installation. Then we click start to launch this application. Okay, so now we already start this application, this Huawei's HUAWEI tool. So now this HUAWEI tool is launched. Then we needed to use your USB cable to connect with your Huawei phone. Okay, so connect to the phone. Then you needed to select the transfer file, this option here, the transfer file option. Okay, then there is the security, use HDB. Then you needed to tick in this one and click OK to pair with your phone and with your Huawei's HUAWEI. Okay, then you need to click here on the PC, click OK. Then it will establish the connection with your Huawei phone. And now there's some authority requirement. Then you click OK to give the authority to this HUAWEI. Here, click allow. Okay, then there's a password. Then you need to key in this password to establish the connection with your HUAWEI. Password is okay. Key in the password and click establish the connection. Okay, you can see now the connection with your Huawei phone is established. Okay, then we just put your phone just beside And we started the next important step is to using the HUAWEI proxy to establish the proxy to the ROM, old ROM you want to flash into your Huawei phone. Okay, now we will extract the rough file and to use the file in this rough file. Okay, we already extracted HUAWEI proxy. Then double click this this folder and to run this HUAWEI proxy, this application. Okay, double click to run this application. Click yes, agree, yes. Then you can see this is application will be used to give this HUAWEI the connection to the old ROM. Okay, so this is very important, and here I will delete all this address and find the suitable address to the older ROM for Huawei's phone. Okay, 3 link or cleared, which means base PKG, cust PKG, preload PKG package, which means package, base package, customer package, and preload package. We to clear all those links. Okay, so allow, and you need a network, you just click and key in the tick and allow access. Okay, then we go back to the web, I mean the third web here. This web, you can use this web to find the suitable old firmware for your Huawei phone, and you can sort out using this sort out field. Okay, so now we need to find your Huawei phone's version. I mean your phone's versions to find a suitable your suitable version. This is important. Okay, then we needed to, let's go back to my desktop. Okay, now let's move to the phone, and we will key in this code into your Huawei phone to see what's the model of your phone and what's the EMUI version. And we were using the model and your EMUI version to find a suitable old EMUI version to flash into your Huawei phone. Okay, then we click the dialer here, and key in this number here according to this number here, *# 284659 and ###. Here you can see this some information. Then we needed to choose number 2. Linear information, this number 2. Click here, and then we will choose version information. This one, version, the first one, version information, to see the phone model, and scroll down at the bottom. Scroll down the bottom of this of your screen, and we needed to see 3 very important version information. The first one is a base software version, and another one is a cust software version, and the last one is a preload software version. To use those information to find a suitable EMUI version to flash into your Huawei phone. Okay, let's go to his website. So first, we needed to key in your phone model to sort out suitable EMUI old firmware to your phone, and we needed to see this number here, the cust software version WLZAN00. See this cust software version WLZAN00. Okay, this is your phone model here. But if your phone P40 Pro will be different, like other models. For my Nova 6, the model is WLZAN00. Okay, I will key in the number WLZ-AN00. So now you can see all the WLZAN00, the model is sorted out. And you also, important thing is the region code, just in your bracket here, this bracket kit, C00 in the bracket customer software version C00. So this number is very important. You need to find this suitable number. Otherwise, if you find the wrong number, wrong version, and maybe you will break your phone, break your phones. So it is important. So you need to find the correct number. For my phone, Nova 6 is C00. C00. So all sorted as a C00, this version. Then the last one is this one, the target version. So the target version is 10.1. So we needed to downgrade to 10.1. Okay, so we will need to find the base software version. For my phone, you can see my base software version is 10.1.0.216. So I needed to find another old version for my phone, 216. So for my phone, current version is 216. So I will downgrade to here. You can see this one is 216, my current version. And I can downgrade to 213 or 213. This is a base software, but you can see this is cust package, so not this one. I need to find the base package. Here, this is base package is 10.212, so base package 212, and here this base package is 202. So I will choose this, then I will choose 212. I click this add room, click this one. So add room, and let's check the proxy here, high-speed proxy. You can see the base package already loaded here. This link already loaded the base package. Okay, the next step is we need to find your custom package, custom software version. C00, my custom version is 210 here, 210. And let's have a look. 210, the cust version 210 here. You can see the 210 C00. Okay, we will add ROM to the cust link here. The cust package of the package is loaded. Okay, then third step is preload package. Let's have a look. My preload package is here. Preload software version is 10.1.01, and you need to pay attention to this in the bracket C00R4. So you need to check your phone's number. For me is C00R4. Okay, let's have a look. C00R4. Here, let's have a look. C00R4 preload. The preload here. Preload C00R4. No, not this one. This is R5. C00R4 for me. Yeah, this is the C00R4 and 10.1.0.1. So this one is suitable for me, C0R4. Let's click add ROM. So okay, now job done, finished. We already finished this package finding, and now the last step is to here. Let's have a look and click this rollback OS here, rollback OS, and click this one and click setup here. This one setup. Click setup. And click here, click the warning, click here, yes. Okay, then a window here to give the proxy to your high suite. You can see here, there's high suite 11 icon, which we will be used to use this one to downgrade our our Huawei phone. Okay, so let's click this HUAWEI start, this link, and click yes to run this HUAWEI. Okay, then we will move to our phone. Then we just unplug this USB cable, unplug, and replug this USB cable. Then okay, then you can see choose the transfer file. After connecting the table, transfer file, then we will establish the connection with your mobile, with your HUAWEI. Okay, then the next step is we needed to enable the USB debug of the USB debug. Let's go to your settings and about phone, and you need to click the model, the version of your EMUI here, build number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then we already enabled the debug, the developer setting. Let's go back and go to the system and update. Okay, then you will see the developer option here. The developer option, go to developer option and enable the debug, USB debug here. The USB debug, click enable debug, click OK. Then we will establish the connection with your HUAWEI. Okay, then allow this, click ticking allow and click OK to give the authority of the HUAWEI of now key in the password 80. Okay, key in the password and establish the connection. Okay, the connection was established with your Huawei phone. Now let's put phone just on the desk. Then we have the option to want to do the one-step downgrade of your Huawei phones. We needed to click this icon of the downgrade your phone here. We click downgrade this phone and click I agree, and the selected old version will be, click the blue link here, blue link. This is your current version, and click the blue link, and you can see the old version is here. Just you can see this is our proxy here to keep it running in the background, and now we can use this HUAWEI proxy to downgrade your version to the older version just selected on the Phone Finder website. Okay, then click rollback here, this blue button, click rollback and click this rollback. Before, just a reminder that you need to back up your data before doing this rollback. Otherwise your data, or all your data will be erased, cleared. So you need to do back up your data. Okay, click rollback and click agree. So now we just download this old version of 212 using the HUAWEI proxy, and the size around 4 to 5 gigabytes. So it needs some time, depending on your internet connection speed. So we just needed to waiting for several minutes, and first step is to finish the download, and the next step is to install this older version ROM into your Huawei phone. Okay, we just wait several minutes. Okay, after several minutes waiting, you can see the download of the old firmware is nearly finished, 99%. After 100% finished, then the HUAWEI tool will start the flashing of the old firmware into your Huawei phones. Okay, now is the starting the process of installing the old firmware into your Huawei phones. I think it will also take several minutes Just waiting several minutes. You can see the percentage bar is in the progress. Okay. Okay, we are almost finished the installation. Now you can see your mobile phone connected with cable. USB cable is restarted. You can see, yeah, it was restarted, and it said that your mobile phone is restarting after finished the installation of the old firmware into your Huawei phone. Now restarting, and let's have a look. Now there is some information because verifying the update ROM to reflashing into your Huawei phone. Now it said it's installing the update into your Huawei phone. Now this is a status bar to say the progress. After finished 100%, then we will go to the next step. Okay, 99% finished. Then I think it will be reboot again. And now you can see it was rebooted again. Now it's moved to the step of factory reset of your mobile phone. After the factory reset, then finished that, then your phone will be rebooted again, and you will be rebooted to your settings. I mean the settings screen. Then we can start setting your phone. Okay, now you can see the phone was rebooted successfully. Now we will go to the settings. Okay, we choose the first setting of choosing English and get started. Yeah, United States is okay. Select United States. Next, next, next. Skip. Okay, so as a new Huawei phone, and skip the step, leave, skip, next, and set as a new device. Try gesture. Here the gesture. Okay. Yeah, finished. Click finished. Okay, now we are in the desktop. Then we go to the version here, settings, and to have a look about phone. Now you can see now the version is 10.1.0.212. This is a version I just downgraded to from the I think the previous new version to current to the 212. So for my Nova 6, the 212 is suitable to is compatible with Google Assistant and compatible with the Google Fire. Then I will use Google Fire to install the native Google App Store and the Google GMS using the Google Fire, so I can install them successfully. So for your P40 and P40 Pro, then you can also use Google Fire to install the GMS, Google GMS, and Google Play Store. After you downgrade to 10.1.0.150 or below 150, like 161, the version 10.1.0.161, the version. Then you, after downgrade, then you can install the Google native application store and the Google native GMS. So this is a very perfect way to install the Google apps, Google's App Store and Google GMS. Okay, so if you feel this video is helpful, just a thumb up and subscribe to the channel to avoid missing future update. See you next time. Bye bye.